am here at the BioGrow stall, and right now I have here she's going to give a brief introduction about what this product is. Ma'am, please tell us about yourself and what you sell.
Yes, my name is Preet. I am sales and technical advisor from the BioGrow Substrate India Private Limited. Our company is basically dealing in the coir products. We are having different kind of the substrates, and our company is basically from France, but we are having different manufacturing unit in different countries. As you can see in our map, here it is like we have our manufacturing unit in India, Sri Lanka, and Brazil. So you can ask me more question if you want to ask.
Yes, so here you can see there are different types of sizes of the product. So, what is the difference between each one of them?
Actually, we are having different coir products, like we are having low EC coco peat that's specifically used for the seedling purpose. If you want to grow small plants, for that only we are having very low EC coco peat. We are having high EC coco peat also that you can use for the pot mixing, that you can use for your household kitchen gardening, and different kind of the chips are also available with us that you can mix up with your pot mix. And if you can want coco peat also to be mixed into that, we can do that part also. So we are having a different coir products that you can use for different kind of the plants, for household, even for the commercial poly houses, for the hydroponic farming that is coming into the trend, you can use for that purpose also.
Okay, so do you supply these products to certain farmers, or do you have tie up with other companies? How is this product reaching people?
Actually, our company is directly now we are most of the customers are B2C only. Sometimes we are having B2B customers also. So, like we are having most of the customers are from hydroponic farming who are doing farming without soil. So, for that only we are supplying. So, it is basically for the poly houses who are doing the hydroponic farming only. For that only we are having a special product that you can see, that is a grow bags that only we are delivering to the poly house farming for the commercial projects.
So, is this similar to manure that we use, or is this a completely different thing?
Actually, this is not a manure. This is a substitute of the soil. It is a media that we are providing to the customers where they are not having a fertilizer lands and they are having so many diseases inside the land. For example, nematodes. So they can't do farming into that. For that purpose only, we have introduced this media so they can grow into the media. So this is a substrate that we are providing to the customer who wants to do soilless farming, basically. So they are doing bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and different kind of the vegetable crops, which is exotic also. For that only we are providing this coil product.
Okay, thank you so much.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to my Startup TV.